do, 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 do.
If anyone out there is struggling with dating a guy or trying to find a guy because they're plus size or bald or even losing makeup, it's a freaking little things that bother me.
Hi, my name is Takunda and makeup is a one size fits all.
Makeup is a one size fits all.
Makeup is a one size fits all.
Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of Fashion Week. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I think I'm going to do a get ready with me. I can't find my contacts. Do you guys hate when you guys know when you put something but you can't find it? That's me right now. Also, right now, I want you guys to admire the setup that Peter took this morning at 8 a.m. to move this dining table and look at our unique tripod setup because we don't have a tripod right now. So this is our situation right now, and I just took a little bit of the setup so I can do a get ready with me with you guys. We have 2 shows today. I have a meeting, but yeah. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I want to talk about some things. Just being transparent with you because that's what it is. The theme of the year is owning it. By the way, I am filming on my iPhone, the latest and greatest iPhone. Let me ask Peter. It's the 11 Pro Max iPhone. This is the front camera. I'm hella impressed. The sound has been great. And also I've been using the back camera for Fashion Week. And it's probably the best and most ideal camera for vlogging. If you guys are into vlogging or if you guys are looking to upgrade your phone and vlog, just get the one with the most memory. That's the one that I have. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this get ready with me situation for day 3 of Fashion Week. Okay guys, so sorry. Me and Peter were like arguing, should we do that camera or should we do this camera? Should we do the professional camera? Should we do this camera? So here we are on the damn iPhone because it's more raw, it's more real. You can literally see like all my imperfections that we're gonna talk about today that make me who I am. I think this angle is actually kind of sickening because you can see everything, even my little boo-boos down here. Ugh. If you guys didn't see my video, I have boo-boos down here. I don't want to talk about it because it's so ugly. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of tilt it up so you guys can see just the eye makeup just like back in the day. How's that? I think this is actually a lot cooler. Oh my god, how raw are we getting? This is actually kind of messed up that we really have the technology to do this. So for you guys wanting precisely my brow concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way concealer on the lids, I'm gonna do a smoky eye today. My skin, you know, on the iPhone my skin has been looking smooth. Example, this is the same camera, same lighting, and it is really smooth. I just have a lot of hyperpigmentation, but the texture so far, besides all this little boo-boos down here, it's been really good. Should this be an ASMR video because we're really close, up close and personal, because I have a lot to talk about today. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna borrow Ronnie's palette. This is his palette. Look how gorgeous this is. He just pretty much sets up shop whenever he's doing my makeup for multiple days, like here at Fashion Week. So I'm just gonna borrow this. I'm gonna take this color right here. This one is called soft brown. Oh my god, this is so cool because the camera's right here and my mirror's right here, and I can kind of just like work. Wow. So as I get ready today, I want to talk about what I mentioned last night about like my insecurities and stuff. Like, I know I just don't want to harp on it. It's kind of cool that you guys are seeing me pull back the curtain and kind of like just show a little bit more of me because this is like real life shit. This is something that's happening, and like I said last night, like I don't know who else is out there that can relate, but I really freaking mean it when I know a lot of men out there that are gay, that are femme, that are probably big or feel fat, identify with me, because it's like, it's not like I chose to lose my hair. It's not like I chose, well, yeah, I mean, bad choices with food and stuff, but it's just something that's really hard. Like, weight is really hard to lose. The ironic thing about all of this is that I'm here at Fashion Week, and you know what? I'm owning it. I'm slaying it. But, you know, on the opposite side of the spectrum, it is really freaking hard. But how is your day going? You know what? I think I would like to know that. So if you guys are in the comments right now, comment how your day is going, good, bad. Why don't you all put your peaks and lows in the comments below? So and we can build a community and like really understand from each other. So let me start. So my peak is like really making memories, not with just, you know, the guy that's here, but also like with my brother and with Ronnie and with the rest of my team that's here, because you know what, honestly, I'm never gonna look this good. You know, we're gonna look back at our lives and be like, damn, we was cute back then. You know what I'm saying? I think my lows of, not lately, but just in the trip is like, this is hard to talk about. Sorry, I'm blending and I'm just giving any excuse to not talk about it. So the low parts of my days, I think, are the self-doubt that I'm having, but it's so small. Also, my feet hurting and my weight struggle. Like, my feet hurt. I'm wearing heels and the turbans are so tight on my head, but also the self-doubt, because sometimes I'm like, why did I get up today and put on heels and put on this tight ass turban and I'm so uncomfortable? But then it just goes back to like, okay, all right, just shut up and get over it, because you love it. And that's a part of me like exercising that mind to like own it this year. I need to blend this, because let me blend and transition and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm gonna take the soft glam palette. I know mine is so busted. I'm gonna take Sienna right here. Sienna, this color Sienna. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like, I wanna do a full blown out smoky eye today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like emphasize this outer corner right here. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M433 brush. Guys, I low-key am kind of obsessed with this angle. And what I love about how Ronnie does my makeup, he really builds my outer corner right here, and it just makes the eye lifted. And you can see I'm doing my makeup with my eyes open. It's really kind of opening up this section right here. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to bring Sienna down and up and out. And I'm just gonna take Texture by MAC, build this out. I used to do this eye all the time back in the day. It was like my go-to brown smoky eye. It was just so pretty in the warm tones in the eye. And I literally think anyone can wear this. It's so pretty if you're that girl that wants to be dramatic on your wedding day. It's not like a full black smoky eye, because sometimes black can just look a little bit too porn star-ish, depending on the shape and like the execution of the blend. Like, that's like the most important. Like, you can most definitely do the black, but if it's like black all the way up, sometimes it could just get a little bit too much. You're like, shut up, you look like a porn star all the time. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade called Rustic, same brush, M433, and I'm just gonna build this intensity out. And I'm just gonna concentrate this in the crease and prep it for our darkest shade. So that's the thing. Like, I know a lot of people work differently in blending. I think this is just the most foolproof way to do your makeup. Am I doing a tutorial? This is just so sickening. So as I'm blending, I'm gonna go back and forth. So just going back to like being fat, femme, and fabulous. It's just a matter of just exercising those things that you want in life. It's kind of like going to the gym. You have to like mentally exercise yourself, and I think that's what I'm doing. And it feels nice. It just feels really, really weird to kind of just own who I am as a person, but more so as a partner, because I'm not like the other beauty gurus that have like their Instagram husbands. And sometimes it's like, oh my God, like they're so perfect and they're like so amazing. But I'm like, what is that for the gays? Like, what is that for us? I know there's some gay couples out there that's aspires to be, but most of the time it's like a gorgeous gay couple that's like aesthetically, you know, WeHo. They're gay, they're probably white, they're probably like, oh my God. But if you guys have any gay couples that you guys watch or that are socially positive, I'd love to know down below, because I think it'd be nice to share those things with the popular ones. I don't know if I'm missing anyone off the top of my head that I would know from being in the beauty world. Oh my God, we're getting smoky. All right, guys, this is the nerve-wracking part, okay, is kind of closing the eye. I'm gonna take this Morphe M513 brush, and I'm gonna take Cypress Umber right here. It's the darkest brown in the palette. I normally use this to kind of like smoke out my lash line, but I'm gonna use it all over the lid. It's so dark. Here's the other brush, but it's so dark and pigmented. I'm just gonna go ahead and just go for it. And just pat it on the lid. Oh my god, what were they doing it? And you see, it kind of just starts to blend into like your smoke that you created beforehand. Ah, I can't believe I'm doing this. When I tell you I used to rock this eye all the time, oh my god, it's so pretty. I just want to make sure all the edges that you're seeing, I'm now gonna like softly transition because that's what's gonna make this like epic, and hopefully I could do it. Been a while. So what I'm gonna do is take this reddish shade called Sienna, and right here, take Sienna and blend Sienna lightly in between. So this is the part that you want to finesse to kind of make it look like GLAM. I know it looks somewhat crazy. I know, like, that's the thing about PatrickStarrr makeup. It's like, yo, what the f is this bitch doing? It looks a mess. It looks a mess. It kind of like is parallel to like what's going on in my life right now, my love life. It's a little bit of a mess, but you know, it's always, hopefully it rains before it shines. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Charlotte Tilbury eye kohl right here. This is Rock and Kohl iconic liquid eye pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and snatch like my waterline and my lash line right here. And if you want a smoky eye, definitely pencils are gonna be your best friend. It just makes your lash line super smoky and sexy. You see, we're building a smoky eye. All right, guys, you should end up with something like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take, obviously, the black, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that on a smudging brush like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set with the eyeshadow. Just make sure that it's nice and set and smoky. All right, guys, I feel a mess right now because I don't know if the tutorial is going as planned, but I'm just gonna go ahead and move on with the lashes because I feel like everything looks better with lashes and liner. That's what I would tell myself back in the day, and I feel like I've learned a lot since then. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes, and I like to curl them like this. These are the style Craze by Alondra. This is like what I love, especially if you have like Asian eyes or if you want more dramatic drag lashes. Curling definitely helps. I'm gonna do the duo. I'm gonna wipe all this fallout, and then I will start my face, and I'll be right back to show you guys pretty much what the rest of my face looks like. Alright, guys, this is what it's looking like. Smoky, smoky, smoky. I need to clean this blend up. I'm not proud of it, but we're gonna go ahead and make it work. I feel like this next part is oddly satisfying. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because there's so much fallout. Right? Ooh. Right here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do my face, and I'll be right back for the finished look. Wow, here's the makeup. What do you think?
I love it.
You like it?
It's amazing.
I look like a showgirl. We are gonna go to Libertine and Anna Sui. So wish us luck. I'll give you guys a closer look, and I thought I would just continue the vlog because we're on already a fashion roll. Y'all, who passed away? Cause this is my look. I am obsessed with it. And Fabian killed this little plume number. I thought I was directing a marching band, but it's giving me very Gatsby vibes, kind of ish, like Grand Dame of the estate. So this is the look. I'm wearing the same lip as I did yesterday. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. As you guys saw, I was a little bit on the struggle bus when doing this eye, but I'm glad with the way it turned out. It's not like black, but it's just enough smoky for my eyes to pop, and that's what I love. Same lashes the past 2 days, and here we are trekking through these earrings. I have to give you guys a shot. These are so cute. But yeah, let's get on to Libertine and Anna Sui.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
We're here backstage at Anna Sui. That show was amazing, and so was Libertine. And my makeup and my look is all the craze. Ain't it? Ain't it?
Oh, it is.
Renegade, 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 renegade. Renegade, 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 renegade. Spot a gay, spot a gay, spot a gay. Oh, I had to sit next to Kokoro Shaw, you guys. I couldn't stand her. Guys, no, I was just kidding. Epic, epic. Yes, and I sat next to Peter as well.
And we saw this girl from Arrow.
Okay, so tell me how these little kids, by the way, went up to Peter like, can we get a picture? And Peter goes,
I was like, oh, you want a picture of Patrick? And then they're like, with you. And I was like,
renegade, 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 renegade.
no, I think they follow you though.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more get ready / vlogs like this, I hope you guys are enjoying Fashion Week so far. Let me know down in the comments below. Remember, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Love the way